Hi everyone, this is Peter. Today I want to introduce is the FocusView wireless follow focus system and also their zoom control system. So for today's setup, I put on C500 with the scene lens 14.5 to 60 Canon scene lens zoom lens, and then I also put on three motors, which is a hidden motors, which is controlling the focus, zoom, and also the iris. And then also I put on the power and also control for the wireless control and also a zoom control onto the handle. So how it works? So probably I have separate into two systems. So for the zoom is actually a wide system which is mounted onto the handle. So for example, like maybe when I was a DOP and then I'm actually controlling the camera movement plus the zoom and focus. So for this, they have make a handle and then a very sensitive zoom control to control this. Also, you can calibrate the system. You can limit the position. For example, like maybe my start and end point is from 40, and then to for example like to 20. Okay, and then I released it. So now you only can start and stop from 40 to 20. So this is limited the range for your zoom. And also at the same time, underneath you can preset the speed. For example, like I want to be maybe a faster speed. For example, like this. And then what I can do is I can be much faster. At the same time, you can set maybe a slower system. For example, 28, which is a very slow system like this. And also because the knob, the control is very sensitive. So you can, if you just like maybe touch it lightly and also maybe heavier, and then it will also affect the zoom speed. So it is a very accurate and also very sensitive, easy to use zoom control. So for the wireless follow focus system, it's actually into two parts. The knob you can set as a focus like this, and also for the side there will be a knob which control the iris. And you will see in the screen they have also built in the depth of field chart, so you can check this, and then you can check whether maybe the focus that you're using now is actually in focus or out focus. So it's very easy. And also in the system they have put on a lot of prime lenses. For example, like the RE, Ultra Prime, Master Prime, Digi Prime, Coke lens. But for example, this kind of lens which they haven't put on, you can easily set up yourself inside the system. And every time, for example, like when you set it up, the most easiest thing is you call the lenses and then to set the knob. For example, I don't know whether maybe the iris maybe point is actually right or not. Easiest way is you just press the slide cal, and then the system will start to calibrate the start point and the end point. So once it's done, and then it would be very accurate. For example, like now, it calibrates. So for example now, I want to set into the t-stop is 8. And then it's absolutely stopped at 8. And then you can also do the same stuff onto the focus 2. So it's a very convenient and also is a very accurate, easy to use system. So if you want to have more information about the FocusView focus and also zoom control, please visit ANS website.